Where are you from?
Where am I from? I'm in the USA.
Yes,
What about you?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh? You heard before that name.
So what are you doing on Beagle? Like, what are you trying to put on
Oh,
Beagle?
in Bigo, I'm not a host. I'm only speaking English with foreigner like you. I'm an English learner. That's why I'm here. What about you?
Gotcha. So I am a paid host on here. What I show on here is that when I get ready for the day, I do get ready with me, like doing my makeup and stuff like that. And then I do PKs and like at nighttime, like right now, and just talk to people. And I feel like people like they're entertaining by that. So
Oh, you like to know other country. I mean, different type of people you love to meet.
yeah, if they're not on my side in my comments, then for to like talk to other people, I'm gonna have to PK randoms instead of selecting, a specific person.
Yeah, that's great. So you are native English
hmm
speaker. Can you give me some tips? How can I improve my English?
Mm, uh, Probably the main one, like take it slow. I mean, I really don't know because I don't speak another language as either. So,
If you learn other
yeah,
language,
take it slow.
what you do?
Okay, so to be honest with you, so I do want to learn Spanish, but I never have time to like take time out of my day to like learn like 6 to 10 words,
Okay.
So I'm not really good at giving tips.
Okay. So what's your profession?
What do you mean?
You have job or you only doing life?
I'm I'm going to school right now, and on my free time I'm doing this. So
Can you share your beauty secret? Because you are very beautiful, and I would like to know about
my
your beauty
secret, I don't
secret.
have secret.
So what do you do for
I
maintain?
don't have a. What do I do? Nothing much. Nothing at all. I feel like I'm just, like I won't say I don't want to say that like I'm everybody, like the same person like everybody else, but I do have my own personality and like when I run into new people, I have the same face expression. I'm not gonna, I don't change it for some reason because I don't know, I just have the straight face all the time.
Oh, you are natural beauty.
Thanks.
Yeah, you are.
Appreciate be happy that, be happy about my parents. They made a queen.
So which state are you from?
Wait, so do you have siblings or no?
What
What state? I'm in Illinois.
what did you say?
Do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have. I have one younger brother.
How many? So you only have, well, your mom only had two kids?
Yeah, my mom
Gotcha.
has only two. And what about you?
I have, I have six.
Oh, you have a big family.
Yes, I do have big family. I have a lot of support too.
Yeah, I also really like to a big family,
A
but
lot of family members, a lot of
my
support.
my family only 5 members.
5 members. So
Yeah,
it's small.
yeah, very small. And how many members in your family?
Well, it's probably a good 30,
30.
good 40, 30, 40.
Oh, it's a huge. Are you happy with your family?
Yes, of course. Yeah, I am.